All right, great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to another episode of Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja. And as always, super humbled and blessed for every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening. And today we have a different video. And what's different? Obviously the background.
What kind of place is this?
I know a couple of videos ago I had mentioned that I had went to Jamaica. Now, unfortunately, on the last day of my vacation, I sustained massive trauma. Yeah, I messed around and ruptured my Achilles by dancing, no less. So I know everybody who knows me, they're like, oh man, you must have had a crazy leg day or something like that. Nah, man, dancing. Out here trying to act like I'm 21 years old again and pop my Achilles.
You're old.
Man, so I ended up having surgery on that and I'm not able to make it down to my office to film down there. So we up here and we are going to go ahead and review, as you saw in the thumbnail and also in the description, the Jordan 1 UNC Toes that just released last Saturday. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to catch that shock drop that we talked about, but I did go ahead and catch me a pair on release day. They just touched down yesterday, and I figured I'd go ahead and do a quick, review and drip forecast for you. Now, we're talking about a Jordan 1, so obviously they've all been reviewed to death, especially this particular colorway UNC Toes. Man, I think the early pairs was out there like 2 months ago, and I'm sure y'all all saw them. So really, I just want to go ahead and pull them out of a box, show them to the Milestone Mafia, and let y'all know what my thoughts on it, and of course, put the drip forecast down for it. So let's not go ahead and waste any more time. Let's make this a really super quick video so I can go ahead and get back in bed and elevate my foot. All right. First off, we have the box, and it comes in a special, box to commemorate the colorway. And you know me, I love, a special packaging. Packaging is going to sell me most times. So we got the 1985 Air Jordan 1. Now the official colorway on this is University Blue, Black, and White. And boom, here we have them. Jordan 1, UNC Toes. First impressions out the box. And honestly, the first thing that stands out to me is the materials on it. A lot better than I initially anticipated, especially with as wide of a release as this was. We see we have a little bit of tumbled leather right there on the toe box. It's kind of bright up here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Colored toe blocking going all through. That's a nice little touch right there. Box with an extra set of laces, UNC for the colorway. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is really not a intricate, type of of release. It's just one of those for the summer that just had to come home. Super clean colorway, super wearable colorway. Drip forecast for these, we'll go with the day at the water park. Definitely fun for the whole family. All right, y'all, Milestone Mafia. Before we head out here, I do want to give y'all a special shout out because y'all have been showing out over the last few weeks. We like to document our milestones. We were headed towards 250 subscribers a couple of weeks ago, and the day that we crossed 250, I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and put out this content and congratulate everybody, give everybody the thanks. But by the end of that day, we were at like 325. We were moving. And I'm like, okay, well, let me go ahead and mention that in the video. By the time I got to pulling out my camera, we was already at 500. Y'all, right now we just over 700 today, and I'm like, okay, it looks like we're really picking up the momentum that I thought we would, and that's exactly how I envisioned it. Maybe not so fast, but I was like, yeah, if we can cross our fingers and hopefully get to 500 by the end of the year, looks like we'll be moving.
10 years, man, you're gonna have matching Benzes.
But right now, it's looking like we probably gonna get to 1,000 by the end of August.
10 years, I think more like 10 days, man. 10 days.
Listen, I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be more humble. I couldn't be prouder of y'all. Y'all are liking, y'all are sharing, y'all are spreading the word that the Milestone Mafia is in the building. And as I mentioned, I told y'all I'll make sure that every one of these videos will be better than the last. Y'all held me to my word. Y'all holding me accountable. So I'm definitely appreciated to y'all. So listen, as always, I want you to remain blessed, highly favored. I'm gonna stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes. And as we head out of there, I'm gonna ask that you become a friend of mine by liking the video, leaving a comment below, not just on the sneakers themselves, but if you have any other milestones that you hit that you want to share, let us know. Also, you could become a friend of ours by subscribing and also hitting that bell notification. That way, you'll know every single time I put out some new content. And we're gonna do something special at 1,000. I'm gonna do a special Got 'em Tardy spin the block edition for a pair that did come in, but I'm gonna wait to show it to y'all till we hit 1,000. And I promise you this, y'all gonna be like, oh, okay, that's why it's special. All right. So other than that, once again, stay blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right. Peace.
I'm out of here.
Yeah, and because I'm a little bit immobile, we're probably not going to be able to do it like how we normally do. Because of the drip, we always put things down on the pool table. Y'all see what I did there? All right. But because, I'm a little bit immobile, we're going to try something different, see if we can get some volunteers to help us out with this one. Other than that, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.
Why can't we record Dad with one foot?